Your Ram 1500 looks great, but that front-end rake is kinda killing the vibe, right? Well, imagine fixing that in a weekend and making room for meatier tires at the same time. In this video, we're counting down the 6 best leveling kits for the Ram 1500, from budget-friendly options that just get the job done, to a top pick that transforms the stance, clears bigger tires, and still keeps your truck daily drivable. So yeah, stick around. 6. Nilight 92356B Leveling Lift Kit. This is kind of that kit you look at when you just want the front of your Ram up a bit without dropping a ton of cash. It's a 2-inch front strut spacer style leveling kit designed for 4-wide Ram 1500s from 2006 up through the newer models, which gives you that more level stance and a little better approach angle for driveways, curbs, and light off-road use. The spacers are made from 6061 aluminum alloy and come with hardware and instructions in the box, so you're not chasing random bolts at the last minute. For someone who wants simple, cheap works, it fits the bill. Now, when this kit is on the truck, the stance definitely looks better. The nose-down factory rake is toned down, and the truck sits more like it should have from the factory, you know? That extra 2 inches lets you squeeze in slightly larger tires and gives the front bumper just a bit more clearance, so you're not scraping on every steep parking lot entrance. On normal roads, ride quality is basically stock as long as the install is done correctly, because the geometry of the suspension isn't radically changed, just spaced down. But, well, here's where the trade-offs show up. Nilight is kind of known as a budget brand, and this kit feels like a budget solution in the long run. The anodizing and finish are decent, but not as refined as some of the pricier kits, and the hardware isn't what you'd call premium. Number 5. MotoFabLifts DR-2. This is a 2-inch front leveling kit specifically made for the Ram 1500, and it's a spacer that goes on top of the factory strut, so you're not tearing apart coils or doing anything crazy. It fits a wide range of model years, from mid-2000s trucks up to the newer body-style Ram 1500s, with fitment for both 4WD and later 2WD models depending on year, which makes it a super versatile option. The first thing that stands out with the DR-2 is the build quality. The spacers are CNC machined from billet aluminum and then powder-coated black to match the factory suspension, and that just feels solid in the hand. Once installed, the truck sits noticeably more level, and you get a true 2-inch lift at the front, which helps with approach angle and gives you room for larger tires without going into full lift kit territory. On the road, ride quality stays close to stock when everything's torqued properly, which is a big deal if this is your daily driver. But it's not perfect. One thing about the DR-2 is that while the kit itself is high quality, the install can get a bit more involved than some people expect. You're still working with the front struts, moving stuff around, and if you're not familiar with suspension work, you might hit a couple of wait, what now moments, especially around loosening control arm bolts and dealing with ball joints. It's totally doable in a home garage with basic tools, but it's not a 5-minute job. 4. PROEZE RA26657. The PROEZE moves the conversation more into that sweet spot of affordable but confidence-inspiring. This kit is designed as a front leveling spacer for Ram 1500 models from around 2009 to 2020, giving you about 2 inches of lift at the front to cancel out that nose-down factory rake. It aims to give you that more aggressive, leveled stance without demanding a full weekend or a professional shop. The PROEZE spacers use solid aluminum construction with a corrosion-resistant finish, paired with high-strength hardware to keep everything tight once installed. That combination gives it a very sturdy feel and helps the kit stand up to daily use and the occasional off-road detour. On the road, the truck feels natural, steering response remains predictable, and as long as the install is done correctly, you're not suddenly dealing with a harsh or bouncy ride. The lift effect is enough to make the truck look right without pushing things too far. In terms of real-world use, this kit works well for someone who wants to run slightly larger, more aggressive tires without a full suspension overhaul. The extra clearance at the front makes those bigger tires fit with less rubbing during turns or over bumps. It also helps with light trail use, steep driveways, or that annoying front-end scrape on curbs. You end up with a Ram that looks and feels more ready for work and play, while still being easy to live with during everyday commutes. Dynofit FF-K510. This is where things really start to feel more dialed in for the Ram platform. This kit is built as a front leveling solution for Ram 1500 models in the 2009-2018 range, delivering about 2 inches of lift to bring the front end up and level with the rear. It's aimed at owners who want both an aesthetic improvement and a functional upgrade, without sacrificing reliability. The Dynofit spacers are typically machined from high-quality aluminum alloy and finished to resist corrosion, which is a big plus if the truck sees rough weather or off-road use. The kit includes robust hardware, and once installed, it gives the truck a confident, leveled posture. The front bumper sits higher, approach angle improves, and the whole truck carries a more planted look, like it was built to handle trails and job sites, not just mall parking lots. On the road, the FF-K510 behaves predictably. The truck still feels like a Ram should, stable, controlled, and comfortable. Because it's a properly designed spacer kit, the lift is achieved without dramatically altering the factory suspension angles, which helps maintain ride quality. You know that feeling when you hit a bump and immediately realize something's off with the suspension? With this setup, that feeling doesn't show up. You just get a slightly taller truck that still drives like your truck. Another strong point with Dynofit is overall fit and finish. The spacers line up well with factory mounting points, and the overall design makes the installation process clearer and more straightforward for someone with basic mechanical experience. Number 2. Richeer AM28722. This one really feels like it was built with Ram 1500 owners in mind, who want reliability and a quality finish without paying premium brand money. This front leveling kit is targeted at 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s and adds about 2 inches of front lift, giving you a leveled profile and making the truck look much more balanced from every angle. The Richeer spacers are usually crafted from solid aluminum and use a heavy-duty anodized or powder-coated finish to keep corrosion at bay. That means when you pull them out of the box, they feel dense, sturdy, and well-machined, not like rough cast pieces. The included hardware is designed to match that quality, giving you a kit that feels cohesive rather than pieced together. Once installed, the stance improvement is immediate, and the lifted front does a nice job of making the truck look more aggressive and ready to work. On the road, the AM28722 keeps the Ram's character intact. Steering feel remains close to stock, and the suspension responds naturally to bumps and dips as long as the suspension is properly torqued at ride height. That's the sweet spot. You get the visual upgrade plus better tire clearance, but without turning your everyday commute into a compromise. It's especially nice if you're stepping up to a slightly bigger all-terrain tire and don't want rubbing at full lock or over-compression. Installation-wise, the Richeer kit sits in that confident DIY category. 1. Evil Energy Ram 1500 Dakota Raider 2/4. This is the kit that just feels like it gets it for a lot of owners. It's a 2.5-inch leveling lift kit designed for 2006 to 2023 Ram 1500 4x models, plus 2.0 Dakota and both 2.4 Mitsubishi Raider, with clear notes that it does not fit Mega Cab or Ram models with certain special setups. That broader compatibility, combined with smart design, is a big reason it lands at the top. The Evil Energy kit uses high-strength aluminum spacers with a robust finish that holds up against rust and road grime. That too. 5-inch lift at the front gives you a more aggressive stance than the typical 2-inch kits, and it really changes the truck's presence. Suddenly, the front doesn't just look less raked, it looks properly leveled and ready for bigger rubber. You also get better approach angles and more confidence on trails, rutted roads, and work sites where the front bumper would normally be the first thing to cry for help. Despite that extra lift height, the on-road behavior remains very livable. The geometry stays within a range that keeps the truck controlled and predictable when driven reasonably, especially if alignment is done after the install, which, should absolutely be part of the plan. With quality hardware and precision-cut spacers, the whole setup feels like it integrates with the truck rather than fighting against it. For a lot of owners, it's that perfect balance. More height, more capability, but still a truck you can comfortably take on long highway trips. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.